Hello, and welcome to video 3 of Communication Strategies, a video series from Francis Slabber Associates, registered audiologists here in Cape Town. I'm Beth Cocroft, and in this video we're going to talk about repair strategies, what to do when communication breaks down and how to fix it. The first repair strategy is more of an inward reflection. You, as a hearing impaired individual, need to be confident enough to talk about your hearing loss and make others aware that there may be times when you don't hear so well. You also need to know how best to ask for hearing help in a tactful and gentle way. Don't ever be afraid to mention that you're not following or didn't understand what was said. Remember that often your communication partners don't quite understand what it's like to have a hearing loss and may forget that you sometimes need a bit of hearing help. As a hearing impaired individual, it's very important to remember that how you ask for clarification is how you'll get clarification. If you frustratedly demand that somebody stop mumbling, then you'll probably encounter some resentment. Rather, try something like, "I'm sorry, Mike, I'm battling to hear you. Would you mind saying that again a bit more slowly for me, please?" Another tip for voicing when you didn't hear something clearly is not to say, "Huh? What?" or "Pardon?" With these words, the speaker is likely to just repeat what they said in the same difficult to hear way. Although repetition isn't all bad, there are better ways to clarify. You, as a hearing impaired individual, need to be specific when you need clarification. For example, "I think that you said MasterChef starts tomorrow. Am I right?" Or, "Would you mind clarifying? Did you say 3 or 4 p.m.? Also, as far as you can, prepare for your upcoming listening tasks. Going to a meeting? Get a written agenda before you go. Going out with a group? Get the names of who else is going. Going out to eat? Check out the menu online and decide what you want beforehand so that you can focus all of your attention on listening once you get there." As a speaker talking to someone with hearing loss, a very good strategy, rather than repetition, is rephrasing. Instead of repeating, "I'm going out, do you need anything?" rather try something different, like, "I'm going to the shops. Is there anything I can get you?" This gives your listener more clues about what might have been said. You may also try giving keywords to help your listener know what the subject of the conversation is if there's been a topic change. For example, "Jim, we're talking about Ellie and university." Now, provided Jim knows who Ellie is, he'll now probably be on the same page as everybody else. Times, names, and dates can be quite tricky to hear sometimes. As a speaker, perhaps write down these things for a hearing impaired partner or friend to ensure no miscommunication. Finally, pay attention to your listener. Do they look lost or confused? It may be a good time to ask them if they're managing to follow the conversation or if they need some hearing help. If you notice that your listener is tired or not feeling well, then hold off on important conversations until they're better. Remember, it's quite normal to struggle with hearing and attention when you're not well or not well rested. That's it for this series on communication strategies. Don't forget to hit subscribe to catch all of our informative videos and to follow us on our social media platforms. Thanks for watching.